Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to print FSN XYZ analysis report in Odoo. So basically it's classified product based on movement speed like fast, slow and not moving, and stock value important high, medium and low. It's help identify critical, slow and dead stock to improve inventory control and working capital. So let's see about that. You can see here module, the FSN XYZ analysis report. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to inventory, go to reporting menu and see here this menu FSN XYZ report. Configure here your company, start date to end date. If you want to add here warehouse or location, so easily add. Available here filters by category and by products. Now set here category, goods. Select here product and available these options include 0 stock. If you want to display this product that which is not available in store or available 0, so therefore allow otherwise not. Now available here 3 configuration FSN XYZ and FSN XYZ matrix page. FSN in available FSN basics, buy turnover ratio and sales quantity. I want to display based on turnover ratio. You can define here fast moving threshold equal to or greater than 3.0, then display fast, slow moving threshold in display 1, 2, 3, then slow state and less than 1.0. Then display non-moving product. And also classify here logic. F means fast, S means slow and N means non-moving. And based on turnover, fast, greater than or equal, less than or equal and less than. Available here 3 options only: view report, print PDF and export Excel. Next configuration is XYZ. XYZ basic stock value available and also repeat. And also define here percentage. X means high, Y means medium and Z means low. Classification logic of this XYZ. If top of 30, then display X class. If greater than 20, then display Y. And if less than 10, then display Z. It means low value. And available here matrix FSN and XYZ with high value, medium and low. Now first I want to print in PDF format. And see here printed report in PDF format. Above display here details of company, warehouse, FSN basic, I treat selection over S. So display here. Now display here classification summary, NZ and SX. Product count total 2 and 1. Total value with percentage and total sale quantities. Available product is laptop bag, shoes and screwdriver. Category is good. Total available purchase quantity, sales quantity and close quantity. Based on turnover, display here FSN and XYZ status. Now I want to view this report. So display here available product moving based on turnover and also available here pivot view. Display here filter wise fast moving, slow moving and non-moving, and also display high value, medium and low value, and with matrix fast with high, non-moving high and non-moving low. Also available here group by FSN classification, XYZ, category wise and warehouse, and available here separate menu for this analysis history, and display here this movement of your product based on this turnover. And now I want to print in Excel format. So see here your report in Excel format. Display here company, warehouse, product code with product name, category, and also display here total turnover with status FSN and XYZ. Also display here summary with total value and value in percentile. Display here for FSN and XYZ. Fast moving for not any product, slow for only one and non-moving 1, high value only 1, medium for not available and low value 1. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.